What every long-term disability policyholder needs to know about the disabling symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy symptoms can vary depending on the progression of the disease. The most common disabling symptoms are from motor nerve damage, sensory motor nerve damage, and autonomic sensory damage. The symptoms of motor damage can include muscle weakness, painful cramps, shrinkage of the size of your muscles, and uncontrolled muscle twitching. The symptoms of sensory motor damage can include a decrease in the sensation of touch, the loss of reflexes, interference with your ability to feel pain or changes in temperature, and oversensitivity to touch. The symptoms of autonomic nerve damage can include an inability to sweat normally, the loss of bladder control, an inability to control the muscles that will regulate your blood pressure, and problems eating or swallowing. It's important that your medical records document your symptoms and how those symptoms impact your ability to work. That's particularly true since you most likely have been working with difficulty, but now you find it hard to continue to work. The disability insurance company is going to want to know what's changed about your condition and what's caused you to file a claim for disability insurance benefits. It's crucial that your medical records document the progression of your symptoms and how those symptoms have impacted your ability to function before you file a claim for disability benefits. I know that your symptoms may progress slowly. That's why it's important to chart that progression and how your symptoms have impacted your ability to function. That progression must be documented in your medical records. I suggest that you keep a peripheral neuropathy diary. It'll note how you feel, the nature of your symptoms, and how those symptoms have impacted your ability to function. Make sure that your entries are consistent with the policy definition of disability and your occupation. Did you know that your policy may define your occupation, not how you perform it for your employer, but how it's performed in the national economy? However your policy defines occupation, you must make sure that your medical records and your diary entries give concrete examples of how your symptoms impact your ability to do the required material and substantial duties of your occupation. You should make sure that your physician has an accurate description of both the physical and cognitive requirements of your occupation. Why? Your physician is going to be asked to complete a report or comment on physician forms about your ability to perform those occupational duties. Make sure that you give your doctor a list of your occupational duties, not only from a physical and a cognitive standpoint, but a copy of the diary with entries between each visit. This diary can document the progression of your symptoms and how they've impacted your symptoms. If your claim for disability benefits has been denied, call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve, regardless of where you live in the United States.